Hi everyone, Sean Tonne here. I'm very delighted to be able to present to you my series of couples workshops for 2019. There's lots of information about what I'm doing in the email that you've received. And I wanted to touch base and just let you know that if there's anything that I can help you with in your professional development or in your journey working with couples, please be in contact. All my details are here. This year I'm running Advanced Couples Therapy in Sydney and in Brisbane, with Brisbane training coming up in the middle of July and the Sydney training coming up in August. I'm also very excited to have been invited over to New Zealand to deliver my core training working with couples, and I'll be running 2 workshops there in September and October. All the details are below. I really look forward to seeing you, and please don't forget, be in contact if there's anything I can do to support you.